Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an exhaust leak in your car using a bowl like this. And I'm sure that the exhaust leak is somewhere in the engine bay, maybe from the manifold. And if the problem is under your car, you gotta jack it up and see where you can find it. For this process, I need some soapy water like this. The engine should be off and it should not be hot. You don't need to burn yourself. When it is cold, I will show you the process one by one. So in order to seal the exhaust tip, we have two options. This one is better since the exhaust tip on my loophole is so small and this is softer. Try to find something spongy like this to seal your exhaust tip. So I believe that we are almost good to go. Maybe a little bit of push and then we go to the front. The next step is to undo these bolts, 10mm ratchet socket, and there's another one there, as you can see. If it focuses well, can you see that? That also has to be out. Well, now that it is out, I mean the heat sink, you have the possibility to spray when the engine is cold that soapy water so that it bubbles up and show you, especially in these connections, because I have sealed it. But again, I will spray anywhere, almost anywhere, so that I can find the leak in the bubbles. Try to spray it in abundance. And also down there, I'll turn off the camera. Now let's start the engine. Go there, briefly. You can see bubbles here, bubbles here. So once again, let's see it. I found it. So for this purpose, I used this famous JB Weld, which is a twin gleba or twin glue. And this is how it looks after JB Weld therapy. You can see I try to smear it all over, especially those spots that were suspicious. And I hope it will be positively responsive. And be careful not to start your car, because any positive pressure from inside is going to blow everything away and it would be a waste of time and money. We wait about at least 5 hours so that it can contract itself.